Question came in from Jonathan in Florida, and Jonathan's question was, I got into a car accident, and there were some other people in the accident. Somebody actually died in this accident, which sounds like it was a traumatic accident, and I hope you're okay, Jonathan. And his question is my case worth $100,000? That was his question. And so, of course, the obvious answer is, I don't know, Jonathan. I don't know anything else about your case. I don't even know what insurance coverage is. I just know that you got into a bad accident, it sounds like. But I do want to answer that question to kind of give you a framework so that you understand how cases are valued. And what it comes down to is liability and damages, or who's at fault. Was there an accident, and was it somebody else's fault? So Jonathan, if you were in this accident and somebody else caused the accident, then yes, there's going to be value to your claim, because we know that it's about who's at fault, and if somebody else has caused an accident, then that's the first part. And then the second part is, what are the damages? If you have damages as a result of an accident where somebody else is at fault, then you're going to have value to your claim. And we talk about damages, there's a couple different types real quick. There's economic damages. Jonathan, if you are out of pocket because you had to go to the doctor, you have a bunch of doctor bills, or if you lost wages, you can't go to work. Those are economic damages. We can put a value to those, and you would include that. That'd be part of the value of your claim. There's also future economic damages. Jonathan, if your accident was really bad and you are going to have future medical treatment, or you're going to have future lost wages, there would be a value to that, and that would factor into your claim. If you suffered a permanent injury, this is under Florida law, but if you suffered a permanent injury, then you can also ask for pain and suffering, or damages they're intangible. They can be a little bit harder to quantify, but as a very general basic rule of thumb, you can anticipate that somewhere between 1 and 3 times your economic damages, that could be something that you can ask for potentially for pain and suffering. So those are kind of the frameworks and the factors of the things that we look at. You probably want to go ahead and talk to an attorney about it a little bit more in detail to bring your specific facts to the attorney, so that the attorney can give you a little bit more specific answer as to what you're looking at. But I hope it still helps and points you in the right direction. My name's Chris Denmon. I'm a partner at Denmon Pearlman, and we answer questions. If you don't really want to go through, and you don't need to really set a full consultation with an attorney, but you just have a specific question, can't find it on the internet, go ahead and ask us, and we'll answer it for you. Thanks.